Alright guys, just a quick update. This GMC diesel still has a video coming up. I'm gonna transform it into some sort of District 76 assault vehicle, some sort. And the 2013 Chevy Caprice is getting some maintenance work done. This will be the new movie car. That video is coming real soon. We've been doing an intensive cleanup effort since the fire. Of course, that takes time. And guys, we are currently looking for a new location, so a better place where I can do more projects more often, more securely, is coming up real soon, hopefully by the beginning of next year. In this video, we're gonna search this 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This used to be a former Canine unit, a sheriff Canine unit. We're gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna try to find out who this dog is and why he keeps coming around. Hey, come on, you can come on now. I got the AC blowing in there. You like it? You don't want to come on, huh? All right, you can stay longer. And of course, guys, we're gonna continue on that quest to find that biscuit. Look at this right there. I'm not sure how I feel about a spotlight in the middle of the roof. To me, it looks freaking hideous. Looks like a little Smurf hat. I gotta say, I don't like it. But check out the tires on these. These are Firestone Firehawk Pursuit tires. These things are like brand spanking new. It's got a Go Rhino push bar. There's a Federal Signal Dynamax speaker in there. It's got the hideaway lights. Now it says custody up there, so I'm not sure what this car was all about exactly. But check this out though. Hey buddy, there's this Canine Cage with the separator in the middle, so you could have two animals in here. And here's the other animal. Oh, I told you there's another animal in there. Check this out right there. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Hey buddy, Chase is gonna be coming here soon. He's gonna test out this Canine unit. I don't know what it is, but I have a thing for Canine units. I always try to save every single one of them. When I'm done with this whole car, I am gonna fully refurbish it and post it for sale. All right, got my glove on. We're gonna start from the front and work my way to the back. It's like a registration sticker. Check this out though, look. This thing is hardwired in here, so the AC will deliver straight back to the dog. And there's one for each dog. See, there's one right there. Wonder why they needed two dogs. We play. How many of you guys are excited for the new Pikmin coming out? If you play Pikmin, let me know down below where we can link up. Oh, sick. Nice. It's not often I come across ASP handcuffs. I think these fold up. But speaking of handcuffs, I gotta tell you guys, the reason why I haven't been doing handcuffs is because I sent handcuffs to this guy and he messaged me saying he got the handcuffs stuck on his ankles and he lost the key. He asked me for advice. I said, call the police, have them undo it. Then he messaged me saying, this is your fault, I hate you. I'm like, okay. I didn't even respond to that. And then later that night, it must have been like 3 o'clock in the morning, I get a text that says, bitch. I thought that was funny, but screw you. If you're that stupid, that's on you, but don't blame me for your stupidity. But anyways, look at this cruise control, huge plus. And look at this. This is the Ray Allen system that will turn on the vehicle and turn the AC on when it gets too hot in here. It will also roll down the windows, and there is a remote pager thing that you could pop the doors open. You know, like if let's say you're pulling somebody over and you're in a scuffle, you could just push the button and the dog will come and save you. There is a phone charger thing right there, and we got a Federal Signal Touch Master with the microphone. It is not functioning. Looks like this was cut clean right here. Shouldn't be too much of a problem hooking it back up. Canine Ray Alley Manufacturing. This clips on your vest, and usually there's a light that goes right here. All right, let's check out this Talon Super LED dash lights. It says R/B. Let's make some cuts here and light this thing up. All right, got it hooked up. Sweet, look at that. Nice and bright. And there's buttons right here to change the patterns. Now let's check this thing if it even works. Hey, where's the dog? Did he escape? There you are. How'd you get out? Wait a minute. Is this dog a ghost? Whoa. 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 Just kidding. All right, let's take a look on the other side. How'd you get... Seriously, how'd you get back in there? Anyways. True Scent Canine Training Aids. Smell something? What does that smell like? Go get it. Go get it. You smell something? Go get it. Smell it. Go, go. Oh, wait. What is... There's something over there. AP9 Hot and Pop. This is part of the Ray Allen system here. It's a lighter. Okay, so I think that stands for San Joaquin County, San Joaquin Police Department, something like that. Whatever this is. Ooh, oh, Sudafed. Never mind, it's nothing. And then plastic cuffs. Then right over here, the transport hood. Please be a biscuit. Key clanking eliminator. So we got a streamlight holder for the belt. Look at that hollow point bullet. This thing is pretty heavy. 40 cal Smith & Wesson. Business cards, come join the team. Oh yeah, all right. I love stickers. Yeah. Junior Deputy, San Joaquin County. What the heck is this? This kid. Oh, this thing is filthy. Oh my goodness. You know what? Surprisingly, it doesn't smell in here. It smells like coffee. Years of coffee just being spilt and caked on. Oh, dude. This is sick. San Joaquin USD School Patrol Alpha number 4. San Joaquin Sheriff. So this guy patrolled the schools and stuff. Dude, this looks just like my Vegas one, kind of. Let me go grab it real quick. Okay, so here is my Vegas Metropolitan Police for my Vegas project. Sick. I don't think this would be like illegal to have because it's a school one, but either way, I will contact him. I'll try to get I have one of his business cards. I'm gonna call him and see if he wants this back. So damn cool. Vehicle first aid kit. Vehicle first aid kit. Gas card. Anyways, let's check out the back. Oh. Did you like that? Yeah, you got all happy, huh? Look at all this dog hair. We gotta see what's in the trunk. Please be a biscuit. I ain't talking about bread. Sweet. A full spare, yes. Let's start over here. There's a start guard, a Ray Allen tactical heat alert system, ETC. And then there's the strobe power supply. There is strobe lights in there. And I would have to reconnect all of this to get it going, which I will when I refurbish this vehicle, which I will keep you guys updated on next week's video. Nice big Badger fire extinguisher, and it is full. Oh, heavy too. Nice. Wish I had that when a fire struck. Dog toy, synthetic wax. These are doggy poop bags. Well, whatever this is works. A Slim Jim to unlock car doors. Looks like some type of fire starter. Elite Canine. Took off this police trunk pack. And there's this bulletproof material here so you can lay your guns so you don't have to worry about them going off and shooting you in the back.